Again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, January the 13th, 2024. Also, Sunday. It's the Saturday Sunday edition, January the 14th. Well, we have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. Look. January the 13th. And we have a Samurai Sudoku. Yes. AKA AKA Quintuplet. Yeah. This one I will do tomorrow evening on Sunday. And in today's newspaper, we have a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and 1 tectonic. 4 of them I will solve today in the evening. First, I will solve the regular medium Sudoku, and tomorrow, we have a puzzle. We have a tectonic correction, additional, not tectonic. With the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, aka tectonic. Yeah, this is a tectonic. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku, but first let me start with this regular medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 7791. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. I've not counted yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 3. We have 5 and the 3 in the second row. So no 5 and the 3 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 3, 5 and the 3. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. And the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, let me see. Then, let me think. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row? Well, no. Let me, need a 3 here, need an 8 here, and I need a 5 here, and 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1. 3. 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column with 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in that row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9, I should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3, I should be there. Then. How about? Need a 2 here. 8. Need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in the first column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 6, need 3. Then. 3, no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is the number 8. We have an 8 in this column. First column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in this column of 2. So no 8 there. So the 8 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. Okay. Then. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the second column? So the fifth column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, okay, 8, cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, okay. Need a 5, need a 6, okay, and now, how about, 2, 4, and a 5. Need a 5 here. I need a 5 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. Alright. How about the number 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. Oh, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column, third column. 2 and a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 1, 2. 135. Okay, and now, need 1 here. Yeah. Need a 5 there. Well, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, okay. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shooby there, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next on the last column. Only place left for the 6. Shooby there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6. Shooby there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the last row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. The last column, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 5 in the last row. 5 in that row. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 3 and 4. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Then 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 5 and 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time because for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this under the 15 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye bye for now.